Hi, this is Mike from EXM Innovations. I'm going to talk about the 2-in-1 adapter set for the Kmp9 and Kmp9R and the adapters that go along with that set. They're sold separately. The 2-in-1 adapter set is a CNC aluminum adapter body with a patent pending locking system and a stainless steel threaded insert that installs in the front of the gun without having to take apart the gun or remove the barrel or do anything else to it, and it will add 14mm negative threads to the front of your gun. To install it, simply slide it over the muzzle, turn to the left and set it in place. And using the included Allen key, install it in the front of the muzzle. Turn it to the left also, counterclockwise. When it stops, just tighten it. Once it's installed, now you can install the threaded adapter cover, or you can put a night tracer or any mock suppressor or our 6-inch amplifiers, like this one. These amplifiers make the gun quite a bit louder, and we'll give you a demonstration right now so you can hear the difference before and after. First, we'll remove the adapter and we'll shoot it stock. Now we'll install the adapter. Then we'll just install it, turn it, set it, counterclockwise, tighten it. Now we'll try a 6-inch amplifier with silver edge. Now we'll try a new prototype 4-inch amplifier, which will be coming out very soon. And there you can see the difference in sound the amplifiers make. Also, want to tell you real quick on the threaded insert. It has a shelf on the outside so that when it goes into the front of the gun, it won't go in too deep and damage the front of the barrel or the muzzle. It pushes against the front metal piece of the muzzle, and then it pulls it against the lugs and holds it nice and tight. So you don't have to worry about it hurting the barrel. Okay, now I want to go ahead and show you that the amplifiers can also be used on the M4. Now, be aware that the amplifier does have a recess in the back of it, so if you have a short barrel gun, it may have some clearance issues hitting the sight. But if it has at least 1.5 inches to 2 inches sticking out the front of the gun, then you'll be okay. It'll install fine. And to demonstrate it, I'll use a G&G GR15 with our version 2 bore barrel kit. First, we'll shoot it with nothing. Now we'll install a 6-inch amplifier. Now we'll install the 4-inch amplifier. Okay, thanks for watching this video.